I'm by-Prof.S.V.Lohar, working as an assistant professor at All India Shri Shivaji Memorial Society's Institute of Information Technology. I'm going to talk about magic tea or hybrid tea. So, magic tea is a microwave T junction. A T junction is an intersection of three waveguides in the form of English alphabet T. Following are the three types of the T junction. First one is H plane T, second is E plane T, and third one is EH plane T or a hybrid T, or we can also call it as a magic tea. As you can see, it's a combination of the E plane T and H plane T. So rectangular slots are cut along the width and breadth of a long waveguide. Side arms are attached. Port 1 and port 2 are the collinear arms, and port 3 is H arm, and port 4 is E arm. Such a device becomes necessary because of the difficulty of obtaining a completely matched 3-port T junction. The 4-port hybrid T junction combines the power dividing properties of both H plane T and E plane T. It has the advantage of being completely matched at all its ports. This has several useful applications because of this property. So, the properties of the magic tea can be completely defined by the S matrix. So as you can see, S24 is equal to minus S14. That is because of the geometry of the junction, an input at the port 3 cannot be come out of the port 4, since they are isolated ports, and vice versa. Also, S22 is equal to 0. This means that the port 1 and port 2 are perfectly matched to the junction. Hence, in any 4-port junction, if two ports are perfectly matched to the junction, then the remaining 2 ports are automatically matched to the junction. Such a junction where all 4 ports are perfectly matched, that's why it's called as a magic tea. So as B is the output at the all ports of the magic tea, and S is the scattering matrix, and A is nothing but the inputs at all the ports. So we can define B is equal to S into A. So if we solve this, we are getting these 4 equations about the output of the magic tea. Now consider all the combinations of the input. So case 1, we are applying input at the A3 and 3 port, and all the inputs at the remaining 3 ports is equal to 0. That is, A2 is equal to A1 is equal to A4 is equal to 0. So if this is the case, if we substitute the values in the output equations, what we get is B1 is equal to B2 is equal to A3 by root 2, and B3 is equal to B4 is equal to 0. So power coming out of the port 1 and 2, these are equal in magnitude and same in phase. So input power applied at the port 3 divides equally among port 1 and port 2. So this is a property of the H plane T. Now consider port 2, case 2, where we are applying input at the port number 4 and 0 input at all remaining ports. So if we substitute this combination in main equation, what we get is b1 is equal to a by root